Sam's having fun. I guess, how about you, buddy? Diego? Hey, dog. What are you doing?
Easy, Diego. You're going to jump on the baby. Diego. Oh, my God. Here, Diego. You think it's funny. It's more like I play with Diego, not the babies.
There, watch out for the Sam. Diego! He's missing out on the bubbles. Yeah, there's a big bubble,
He's
buddy.
gonna get sick because he's eating a bunch of soap.
Wait, what? Wait, did you hide that? Did you hide that from Amaya? Big bubble!
Uh-oh.
Sean literally, Diego was jumping. He's like, he moves. Sean, watch it.
Remember we started this outside, so we did it outside first, and he was afraid of them, and he was barking at them.
Yeah, but now
Once he realized they popped, then he started going after them. Hold on, Sammy, I'm blowing them.
Sam's mad because Diego's keep on eating them.
We do this with babies because it's a sensory thing. Diego!
Oh, big bubble!
I'm not moving fast enough for you.
He's like, yeah, you're not moving fast